Hello everybody, my name's Simon. Thank you very much for clicking on our video walk around of this beautiful Suzuki Vitara SZT 1.6 automatic. Now as I take you around the vehicle, you'll notice the car is in really good condition both inside and out. All the paintwork and alloy wheels are all in superb condition. Now the Vitara not only is a very good looking car, it's also an extremely practical car. I do own one of these cars myself and I have two children, and getting them around is fairly easy. That's more to do with the children than the car, but it has a very good sized boot and good room in the back. As you'll notice, it's got privacy glass on the rear three sides. Now as we walk around the front, I'm just going to take you inside so you can have a look at the interior as well. So as you can see, very smart, clean interior. Loads of room in the back. Comfortably transport 5 adults with ISOFIX as well. As we come around the front, you'll notice the chrome, the grey that runs through the interior. Onto the car's infotainment system, which has digital radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth and smartphone link, and that's also where your reversing camera will show up. And then down to the automatic gearbox. The Suzuki's automatic gearbox is absolutely fantastic. It's a really smooth gear change, so I very much encourage you to come down and have a little drive of it to see that for yourself. Now, any car sold by Luscombe Suzuki would come with a full 12-month MOT and a service before leaving. So if you have any further questions or you'd like to come down and have a drive of the car, please give myself Simon a call on 0113 271 2288 and I'll do my best to help. Thank you very much for watching.